Hello art beaters, Becky here with a new video and I hope you enjoy. If you want to keep up to date on all things art beads, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel right now. Enjoy!
Easter is early this year, coming up quick. So I was just wondering if you guys were making anything for Easter. And if you're stumped on what to make, I have some inspiration for you. All of these pieces are in our design studio with free instructions and a supplies list. So you can learn how to make them, get the supplies, sub out your own supplies if you want to put your own twist on it. I've got some really cute Easter picks for you. This one I love. It has this cutest little, look at this little bead. It's a bunny charm. So it's just a little pearl with bunny ears on top of it. It's so cute. And we've got it paired with some nice, pretty dreamy pearls and rosewater opal colors. And then even the heart is super sweet. It's the chain is heart-shaped chain, so super cute. I just love that little bunny though. Would make really cute earrings too. Perfect for Easter. So that is coming up. So make sure to make your jewelry design soon. We've also got this lovely simple leather bracelet with a really nice cross charm in the center. I love how it's brought attention to, like at the center with this 3-hole bead from TerraCast, and it's used kind of as a bail almost, or a connector, I guess. And then it's just the charm is linked to that center hole. So pretty. And then the leather is just looped around those other 2 holes, and we've got it all finished with a cord end cap and a toggle clasp. So really sweet, and you could switch out the charm for any kind of charm. If you have an Easter egg charm or another holiday, switch up the colors in the charm to represent another holiday too. This is a really nice one for Easter though. I think this one is another beautiful piece for Easter as well. We've got this gorgeous hand-painted Russian artist bead on the center. It is an angel or a saint. I think this is Saint Gabriel. And he's got this beautiful flower bouquet. And then just these gorgeous purple gemstones. Really nice. So this is a really, really beautiful high quality piece, a meaningful piece that you can make for the holiday as well. And I think it just has really beautiful spring colors. And look at how those gemstones shine. Gorgeous. This is a really special piece. Love that. Again, this is a hand painted gemstone bead, and it is signed by the artist. All of these beads are signed by the artist, so super nice. Beautiful. I think this one is just fun colors for spring, fun colors for Easter. They kind of look like Easter egg colors to me. So these are just rivolis, and this one is super easy to make because this is a finished necklace, so it comes with the clasp and everything already attached. And then you just add the rivolis of your choice to the prong settings and fold the prongs down over the stones. So we chose some really fun kind of Eastery colors here. Look at how those shine. Super beautiful. So that's a really fun Easter look as well. We've got some fun little pearl earrings. I think little pastel pearls are perfect for earrings and Easter. These ones are some nice yellow ones, and these kind of go along with the Pantone color of the year trend as well, that beautiful yellow. So sweet little pastel yellow. These look like little Easter candies to me. So really sweet Easter idea. We've got those in a couple different colorways. This one has more of that yellow, and then it's got just that nice kind of dreamy white color. It almost has a pink sheen to it, these pearls here. So super pretty little Easter candy earrings. And then, of course, a fun jangly charm bracelet is perfect for a playful holiday, especially if you're doing like Easter egg hunts or something like that. We've got this fun little Easter parade bracelet. It's got cute little Easter egg charms, butterflies, bunnies. There's a cross in there, and sweet spring colors like pink and purple. So sweet. So you could definitely use this bracelet as a starting point to make your own design. There's lots of different charms and bead colors you can use to make something like this, but super sweet, super cheerful for spring. So really nice Easter design there. as well. So cute. I'm excited for Easter. I always like to make either prime rib or ham, and of course some mashed potatoes and gravy to go along with it. Thank you guys so much for joining me. It was a blast. We had a lot to talk about, a lot to look at, so much inspiration. So I hope you guys were inspired as well. Oh, thank you.